Developed by the professional team at Brain Wonders, Dmit can assess the child's inborn strengths, weaknesses, and characteristics, all through fingerprint patterns. With the Dramatic Glyphics Multiple Intelligence Test, or DMIT, you can understand how a student learns, their basic behavior patterns, and born habits. Fingerprints have a close association with the development of the brain, and both are developed early in the womb. An analysis of the fingerprints reveals a unique understanding of the mind. The results from the test can help educators and parents determine the best approach to teach their students and children, allowing them to learn in their most appropriate style.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Yasmin Pirzada.
I'm Savita Venkat.
Vinayak. I'm Sachin Sachdeva.
Janet Morris.
Ma'am, we had conducted a Brain Wonders test for you and we had done the counseling for you for the same. What is your experience about the report and the counseling?
I feel had I known it earlier, I would use this knowledge to the best of my experience.
It's a very good program.
I must say that the analysis was spot on. I was extremely happy.
I was stunned.
I think the whole concept of Brain Wonders is very good.
The test was actually quite accurate.
The Brain Wonder concept is beautiful concept.
It is wonderful for the children.
It's an amazing and wonderful experience for me.
Very finely scripted and clear and concise.
I think it will be really a great help to the parents and to us.
It looks very impressive.
Would you, as an educationist, like to recommend this for the students?
Yes, definitely.
Happy to say that students will learn a lot more aspects about themselves when they do your analysis.
Yes, of course. I'm looking forward that all the school children should be encouraged in this line so that parents know and educators, as educators, we know what best we can do for them.
I would be recommending it to people. I would recommend it even to my own family members who are not a part of the school.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, I would be recommending this concept to all schools. In fact, a lot of myths are going to clarify.
Yeah, I would definitely put it across to my management and see how it goes from there.
To learn more about DMIT and Brain Wonders, visit us at www.brainwonders.in. Work with children in their areas of weakness and help maintain their strengths and inborn talents with Brain Wonders.